Good day, everyone. This is Tan back with another product review. This time I will be doing an installation and review for this product here. The brand is Wonderful, and it is for a tempered glass screen protector that I'll be installing onto my 2021 Toyota Highlander screen here. This is the 12.3-inch screen, and this is touted as having these benefits. Of course, the biggest one is the oleophobic functions. It touts that it has that specific coating on the actual screen itself, because that's going to resist fingerprints and oils off of the screen. Of course, it has anti-scratch and wear resistance as well. Although my screen doesn't have any scratches yet, that's just good added protection. It has high definition vision. I'm not exactly sure what the heck that means. If it means that it might reduce glare from the sun from the screen, but we shall see afterwards. But for me, this is probably the biggest one here. Anti-fingerprint, because of the oleophobic coating that is on there. Again, I just bought this. I'm going to install it right now. I don't know if you can see the screen right here and the fingerprints on it, but it's definitely there. So let's go ahead and get this show on the road and put this on. All right. So right out of the packaging, we have a screen protector accessories here. What is in here? Oops. This looks like it has some wipes in it and alcohol pad based on the instructions. And then we also have the actual screen itself. So this screen comes in this little styrofoam case right here. And taking it out of the sleeve, like we have the tempered glass piece in one piece right here. I'm going to do a test fit here in a second. How to do this holding this my kid's tablet here. So let me adjust the screen here, and then we'll do a little test fit here. All right. So here is the product itself. First, let's go ahead and take a look and see how well it actually fits to the dimensions of the screen here. So just applying it on from top to bottom. Actually fits pretty good. So that's a big positive. Most of the products that I buy on Amazon, they all have to be 4.5 stars or higher. This was 4.5 stars with great reviews that said, everyone said that this fits like a glove. And just from my experience right here, this would be a perfect fit onto my screen. So let's go ahead and install this here. Now, before we do, I'm just going to give it a quick spray. I'll find some glass cleaner. I happen to have this Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. So I'm going to give this a quick spray down, get rid of the current fingerprints that are on there right now, and just wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. So, oops, search for it. Go. Give it a quick wipe. Make sure it's nice and clean. There we go. All right, and in the package that we received, let's open this up. See what we have in here. We have a blue sticky. I think this is to remove any fibers and debris off of the glass. We also have an alcoholic prep pad. And then we have this little wipe to clean off any excess moisture. So let's go ahead and use the alcohol pad. These three items are supplied. I'll just give it a quick wipe down. I'm actually going to wipe the top because I'm going to be using some Scotch tape to make sure it's properly aligned before I pull off the backing. All right, then I'll use my microfiber cloth again. I'm just going to give it a quick dry. Now, if it wasn't clean before, it is absolutely clean now. All right, and I'll use this blue piece of sticker here. Come on. There we go. It's not paper after all. It's actually like a piece of vinyl. So we'll just use that and just blop, 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 blop. Just blotch it. And then I'm going to use this little cloth and wipe off any of those residual and you really want to make sure this is oil free and streak free before you actually put the product on. And you may not be able to see it through the video, but after I wiped it with the alcohol pad, it definitely left some streaks, which I'm going to take care of first. There we go. I can use this and get off any other fibers. And now this is my trick. I'm going to take off 2 pieces of Scotch tape. I'm going to tape one corner down so I can actually remove it easily. Do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm just going to find 2 spots on the top of this where I'm just going to put it on. So right here, maybe another one right here. I'm not too worried about getting my fingers on the back of this because that's where I'm going to peel the film off anyways. But this is my opportunity now to actually align. Maybe I should wipe the back though, just to get off any fibers off the back of here. All right. I don't know if you can see that sticker there, but this blue sticker says, please peel off the mask with this sticker, and that's how you're going to adhere it to the screen itself. But I want to first do a dry fit. So holding it to where I want it to be. This side looks good. This side, up a little bit more. There we go. All right. So now it's dry fitted on, right where I want it to be. And here we go, y'all. I'm just gonna lift this up. Peel the back off. I don't know if you can see it, just once I did the stroke down the middle and just glided to the left and the right with no visible bubble. All right, my video actually cut off there for a second, but the moment that I pushed my finger right down the middle, I don't know if you saw it, but it started to stick and then move to the left and move to the right with minimal bubbles. I still haven't touched it yet, and I only see a little bubble right down here and a bubble right there and there. So all I'm going to do is use this, and I'm just going to get rid of the bubble. Push it down, push it out. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to force it out, up and out. Then take off this tape from earlier. Installation done, y'all. Let me take a look here. I can't tell if it's reduced any glare yet, but definitely it blends right into the screen itself. So far so good. Let's go ahead and test this out and turn it on real quick and see what it looks like. All right, so touchscreens, let's see if they work fine. Audio, FM. Yeah, so there you have it, y'all. The fitment is perfect. I cannot complain. Highly recommended. And as for fingerprints, I'm messing around with fingerprints. My AI box decided to turn on. But there you go. There you have it. All the functions work. No issues with the touchscreen with this screen on it. But the oleophobic coating and its properties definitely is a plus. I'm doing this right now, and I don't see any smudges on the screen at all. And it's anti-scratch, anti-fingerprint. Looks like this is a winner, y'all. I'll make sure to put a link in the description. And y'all have a great day. Peace.